time. Flood warning in effect until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Areas affected include portions of southwest Virginia, including the following counties: Buchanan and Dickinson, and southern West Virginia, including the following counties: Boone, Logan, McDowell, Mingo, Raleigh, and Wyoming. The hazardous weather can be expected until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 10:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Up to 0.8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Beckley, Madison, Welch, Logan, Clintwood, Grundy, Pineville, Casey, Breaks Interstate, Davenport, John Flanagan Lake, Mullins, Mount Hope, Knapscott, Oceana, Sophia, Chapmanville, Gary, War, and Man. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In heavy terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The saturated ground has produced conditions right for landslides and debris flows on steep slopes around the area. Residents with homes on or at the base of hillsides should be aware of the potential for landslides and watch for trees leaning in unusual. This is a flood watch. Standard Time. Flood warning in effect until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Areas affected include portions of southwest Virginia, including the following counties: Buchanan and Dickinson, and southern West Virginia, including the following counties: Boone, Logan, McDowell, Mingo, Raleigh, and Wyoming. The hazardous weather can be expected until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 10:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Up to 0.8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Beckley, Madison, Welch, Logan, Clintwood, Grundy, Pineville, Casey, Breaks Interstate, Davenport, John Flanagan Lake, Mullins, Mount Hope, Knapscott, Oceana, Sophia, Chapmanville, Gary, War, and Man. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In heavy terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The saturated ground has produced conditions right for landslides and debris flows on steep slopes around the area. Residents with homes on or at the base of hillsides should be aware of the potential for landslides and watch for trees leaning in unusual. Residents with homes on or at the base of hillsides should be aware of the potential for landslides and watch for trees leaning in unusual.